Hi Ashwint, how is your preparation for the exam? I am really tensed. You know I'm weak in data science. That's why I'm taking special care in it.
I have almost completed my studies. Don't worry, I will help you.
I have doubt in ethical consideration in data science.
Okay, I will explain it. Ethical concerns in data mining can be seen in two main ethical themes, and these relate to privacy and individuality. As mentioned previously, the wrong use of data can cause people to fall in unethical issues, which are also considered illegal.
Can you explain data mining in detail?
Data mining is the process of creating a sequence of correct and meaningful queries to extract information from large amounts of data in the database. Data mining tools predict behaviors and future trends, allowing businesses to make proactive, knowledge-driven decisions. Frequently, the data to be mined is first extracted from an enterprise data warehouse into a data mining database or data mart. The data mining database may be a logical rather than a physical subset of your data warehouse.
For example,
a company must decide if a lack of ethical concern will cause a loss in goodwill from consumers and suffer from a backlash from the company's consumers. Are you getting my point?
Yes, but why is ethical consideration is so important in data mining?
The importance of privacy and individuality has to be valued and believed protected to make sure that people are treated reasonably. People should be conscious of the significance of the threats and dangers and constantly discuss these ethical issues. Do you know what are the things to be considered during its evaluation?
Yes. 1. Informed consent. 2. Voluntary participation. 3. Do no harm. 4. Confidentiality. 5. Anonymity. 6. Only access relevant components.
You are right. Can you explain that?
Informed consent means that the person participating in the evaluation is fully informed about the evaluation being conducted. Participants need to be made aware of the purpose of the project, who or what group is funding it, how the findings will be used, if there are any potential adverse impacts of their participation, and who will have access to the findings.
What is voluntary participation?
Voluntary participation means that people participate in the evaluation free from coercion. Participants are free to withdraw their participation at any time without negatively impacting on their involvement in future services or the current program and relationships with any of the researchers or research bodies involved. It can be challenging to encourage high-risk youth to become engaged in a program, and it is therefore difficult when participants choose not to continue in a program. Third point is harm can be both physical and or psychological, and therefore can be in the form of stress, pain, anxiety, diminishing self-esteem, or an invasion of privacy. It is imperative that the evaluation process does not in any way harm unintended or otherwise participants.
Well, what about confidentiality?
Confidentiality means that any identifying information is not made available to or accessed by anyone but the program coordinator. Confidentiality also ensures such identifying information is excluded from any reports or published documents. And anonymity is a stricter form of privacy than confidentiality, as the identity of the participant remains unknown to the research team. This is more difficult to achieve than confidentiality, as participants in the context of social research are usually known to the program coordinator. Last point is, only assess those components that are of relevance to the program initiative being conducted. High-risk populations are sometimes being used as guinea pigs or a captive audience to ask all sorts of questions in evaluations that are of interest to groups conducting the program initiative but not relevant to the program nor will be to the group who are involved in the program.
Okay.
Now I am getting some hope that I will make a better result in my exams.
Yeah, that is great.
But what are legal and privacy concerns of data mining?
That is simple. The primary factors contributing to the escalating disputes in data mining are potential privacy and legal difficulties. There are concerns about privacy because of the potential uses for data mining. Government agencies and commercial organizations amass vast amounts of data about consumers each year and store it in data warehouses. One of the worries is who will get access to the data once it has been gathered and kept in a data warehouse. A customer may frequently be unaware that the data gathered about them is shared with parties other than the person who originally requested the data.
I think we have reached the end of syllabus.
Yeah, think so. Anyways, best of luck for the exam.
Yeah, thank you and same to you. See you there.